and this is red and navy blue combination. This is pallu, and this is blouse. In this border you can see swan, peacocks and different shades. This is complete saree view. It's red, brown and navy blue combination. In this design there are jokers, peacocks and tree design. You can see the complete saree view. This is also a rare combination. And this is mustard yellow with blue combination. In this border you can see a home, elephants and some other design. This is blouse and this is complete saree view. This design named as patola design, pan patola design. You can see the complete saree view. It's mustard yellow with blue combination. And this is pink with purple combination. In this border you can see swans, elephants and peacocks. This look rich pallu. And this is blouse. And this is complete saree view. You can see the whole saree. It's with pink and purple combination. You can see the complete saree view. This is also rare combination, pink with purple combination. And this is bottle green with mustard combination. This is pallu. This is blouse. In this border there are two types of borders with elephants and parrots. This is complete saree view. This design named as Ambala design. You can see the complete saree view. It's bottle green with red combination and mustard combination with rich pallu. This is also rare combination. This is onion color with blue combination. This is pallu. In this border you can see the lotus design. This is blouse, and this is a complete saree view. It's a rare combination, onion color with blue combination. In this design you can see parrots, joker and elephants. This is also a rare combination. You can see the complete saree view. This is also rare combination, onion color with blue combination with rich look pallu. And this is mango color with blue combination. You can see in pallu flower design, swans, elephants. This is blouse. And this is complete saree view. It's mango yellow with blue combination. This design is named as Pan Patola design. You can see the complete saree view. And this is completely different saree. Light grey color with pink combination. This border looks very rich. There are two types of border in this. One is gold jari and one is silver jari. In this design there are peacocks and queen and elephants. This is blouse. In this middle of the saree there are elephants. This is complete saree view. You can see the complete saree view.